Hello my people, in this video we will see how to get a streak pet on TikTok, Android or iPhone. In this case, the first pass is go to the TikTok, open the app, and next we go to the inbox option, select one chat, for example this. Select Streak Pet and select this option, Send Invite. In this case, you will wait for your answer, and well, that's all. You have unlocked a streak. Keep chatting every day to upgrade your badge. You have a streak pet. And well, that's all for this video. If you like it, the video, and especially if it helped you, this is the most important. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time.